Welcome to Cao Bằng, a land of natural wonders, rich culture, and untold stories waiting to be discovered. Nestled in the far northern corner of Vietnam, this hidden gem boasts dramatic landscapes, vibrant villages, and breathtaking waterfalls that seem straight out of a dream. Join us as we explore this stunning province, where every corner holds a new surprise. Cao Bằng, a mountainous province in northern Vietnam, is not only known for its scenic landscapes, but also for its rich tradition of handmade crafts. Let's start our journey in Phuc Sen Village. This village is famous for its traditional blacksmithing, a craft practiced by the Nung An ethnic group for over 300 years. Local blacksmiths here forge knives using recycled truck springs. Each blade is handcrafted, shaped by experience, not machines. Leaving the sound of hammer and fire behind, we move on to Lung Ri Village in Quang Hoa District. This is one of the few places that still produces handmade yin-yang roof tiles. The process is labor-intensive and fully manual, involving careful shaping and natural drying. These tiles are used on traditional stilt houses, providing insulation in both hot and cold weather. Although industrial tiles are more common now, the people of Lung Ri continue this work, preserving a unique aspect of local architecture. From rooftops to household items, our next stop is Doai Khon Village, known for its bamboo and rattan weaving. Here, families use mature bamboo, harvested under specific lunar phases, to produce baskets, sieves, and traditional containers. The bamboo is split, shaved into smooth strips, and then woven by hand, often over wood-fired stoves to ensure durability. The craft is still practiced in 3 hamlets of the village and supports both local use and regional trade. Continuing deeper into the hills, we arrive at Tren Village, a quiet community nestled in a green valley. This village is well known for making dew paper, a traditional type of handmade paper made from the bark of the Mae Sla tree. The process involves boiling, pounding, fermenting, and drying, all done without any industrial chemicals. The paper is durable, naturally scented, and commonly used for folk paintings, spiritual writings, and decoration. Our final stop is Phia Thap Village, home to a traditional incense-making craft. More than 50 Nung families here continue to make incense entirely by hand. They use a wild local plant called Bao Lac, which is dried, ground, and mixed to form the core of the incense sticks. Unlike mass-produced incense, Phia Thap's products are completely natural. The village has also developed homestay services, allowing visitors to stay, experience the incense-making process, and learn about local culture. Located in the western part of Cao Bằng province, Bao Lac is a quiet mountain town surrounded by impressive natural scenery and traditional villages. The area is home to many ethnic minority communities, where daily life remains closely connected to local customs and the natural environment. Agriculture remains the main livelihood. Early mornings often begin with farmers tending to livestock, working the fields, or traveling along hillside paths. At the center of cultural life is the community house in Khon, used for meetings, festivals, and preserving the identity of the local people. Visitors have the chance to experience life here directly, joining local families for tea, conversation, and a closer look at daily routines. With its calm atmosphere and strong cultural character, Bao Lac offers a meaningful travel experience for those seeking authenticity and connection. Nguom Ngao Cave in Trung Khon, Cao Bằng, is one of Vietnam's most remarkable natural wonders. Hidden beneath the karst mountains, the cave stretches over 2,000 meters, featuring a vast underground world shaped by millions of years of water and limestone erosion. It's known for its impressive network of chambers, high ceilings, and fascinating rock formations. Inside, visitors are greeted by stalactites and stalagmites of all shapes and sizes. Some resemble blooming flowers, coral reefs, cascading waterfalls, and even mythical creatures. The natural lighting system adds to the experience, casting dramatic shadows and highlighting the cave's surreal beauty. The best time to visit is during the dry season, from October to April, when the weather is cool and the cave is easiest to explore. Nguom Ngao Cave is a must-see stop on the Cao Bằng Loop. Welcome to one of Vietnam's most mesmerizing natural wonders, Ban Gioc Waterfall. Nestled in the stunning landscapes of Cao Bằng, this majestic waterfall is not just a sight to behold, but a place filled with history and culture. From above, you can see the incredible flow of the Phuc Sen River, which marks the border between Vietnam and China. Ban Gioc is more than just a waterfall. It's a living, breathing piece of nature that draws travelers from around the world. The lush green surroundings, the sound of the water cascading down, and the vibrant atmosphere all come together to offer an unforgettable experience. The beauty of Ban Gioc extends beyond just the waterfall. With its crystal clear water, lush greenery, and dramatic cliffs, it feels like stepping into a living painting. The landscape is constantly changing, depending on the season. During the rainy season, the waterfall is at its most powerful, with water pouring over the rocks in a flurry of white foam. The dry season offers a calmer but equally beautiful scene, with clear blue skies and cool weather. Located in the Non-Nuoc Cao Bang UNESCO Global Geopark area, Nguyen Binh District is a tranquil escape among misty mountains and endless green hills. With cool temperatures year-round, it's an ideal summer retreat for those seeking peace, nature, and authentic culture. One of Nguyen Binh's hidden gems is the bamboo forest in Ban Phuc Village. Towering stalks stretch to the sky, their leaves dancing in the wind. Here, life moves gently. Mothers carry babies on their backs. Women weave traditional clothing, and every moment feels deeply connected to the land and heritage. Traditional stilt houses nestle among rice fields and hills, where buffalo graze freely, a scene unchanged by time. Even after harvest, the terraced fields of Nguyen Binh reveal a different kind of beauty, raw, earthy, and peaceful. The patterns carved into the hills tell a story of generations working in harmony with the land. In every curve and contour lies the quiet strength of local life. Located in Ha Lang, Cao Bằng, about 70 kilometers east of the city center, Vinh Quy Grass Hill is a beautiful and peaceful hill known for its vast golden grass fields. This stunning natural landscape combines the rugged beauty of the Rocky Highlands with the serene charm of nature, making it a perfect spot for nature lovers and photographers alike. The best time to visit Vinh Quy Grass Hill is from October to January during the dry season. Book your next adventure with IZITOUR today and experience Cao Bằng like never before.